Control panel. To remove the control panel, begin by removing the mesh filter, then remove the 4 screws on the inside of the range hood. Remove the 2 screws on the back side of the range hood that hold the top and bottom together. Make sure to hold on to all the nuts that secure the screws from the other side. Remove the 2 bars wedged in between the range hood's top and bottom that secured the 4 screws. Remove the bottom of the range hood and set aside close to the top of the range hood. Disconnect the power cords to the LED lights by pushing in the tabs and pull apart simultaneously. Remove the 2 screws holding the control panel in place and pull the control panel through the inside of the range hood. Disconnect the power cord by pushing in the tabs and pull apart simultaneously. LED lights. Push the LED lights from the inside of the range hood and out. Make sure the power cords have been disconnected first. Control board. Remove the 4 screws holding the cover in place and remove the cover. Using pliers, slide the plastic covers off the connections. Then, remove all connections by pinching the metal tops and pull straight up. Remove the 4 screws holding the control panel in place, then remove the control panel. Capacitors. Using pliers, slide the plastic covers off the connections. Next, pinch the metal tops of the connections and pull straight from the same angle of the prong. Remove the 1 screw holding the capacitor in place and remove the capacitor.